Got it here, another perpetual motion Kinetic Art machines. It looks like perpetual motion, but there is a battery charger right here. So we pre-charged it, and then we have balls. You'll have to have it on a flat surface. And check this out, whenever you turn it on, there's a button, hard to see. What I love about this one is it's completely noise free. Like there is no like a little motor on it or anything like that. All it is in making noise is from the metal balls. Oh. Sometimes when it's not super even ground, if you put multiple balls, they won't make it all the way up. You see? I don't know why. So at least one at a time, it does work pretty consistent, but if I do two, not so much. Maybe it is made to have one ball, or maybe I'll have to find a really oh, there you go, a really flat surface. This kind of table is kind of sideways, but as you can see, it works with two. Kind of just gotta get it going pretty good. So you have to have a flat surface, but with one ball it works every time. Let's throw all at the same time. You see what I'm talking about? It have to be really flat surface, but we did get it to work with three for a while, but with one no problem. Such a cool little gadget, don't you think? It is very satisfying to just put it out there and make a little noise. So cool. You could see there's some kind of magnet over here, probably electric magnet. Which is really cool that it works with the magnet. Let's see if it works with two. Yeah, you see if they go back to back, for some reason it doesn't spin that well. But now you know, in case you're looking for one of those, now you know how it works. You see, it works with two pretty good as long as they don't go back to back. I guess a whole bunch of them is extra. Yeah, now we know. With two works pretty good. This is mesmerizing. I can look at it all day. You see, I moved it, of course it will fall out. Yeah, this is definitely an uneven table too. So, there you go. Pretty awesome. Once we take the ball away, put it back in the Ziploc with a bunch of extras, this will turn off automatically. And out of the package, you have to charge it for a couple hours. Got it here, a food flipper. Looks like for the grill or for the skillet. Either way, there's a safety, you can remove that before you use it. Check this out, it's a little hook over here. Wow, we're gonna put it to the test flipping steak on a grill. Will it be easier? Let's find out. That looks quite fun. Okay, and this is how it works. You just grab it, you see, lift it and release it. So super easy to grab it. You see? Oh, it's stuck, still liftable, super easy. And release it. So nice. I really like it. Way better than thorns or anything. Check this out. So fun. And then there's a different type of steaks. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3. And I will film flipping them. This is too easy. Okay, time to flip them. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it's so easy. Check this out. That smells so good. So yeah, really easy to adjust it. Whoops, didn't cover it up too hard. Ooh. So, very interesting little gadget. Sorry about the wind. Why is this one stuck? I guess we could still break it off by pushing this. Oh well. Okay, and look how easy it is to take it out. This one fell apart. You see, super easy to flip it, very easy to take it out. Look at that. All the way through. Boom. So nice. One more. Wow, I love it. So easy to flip it, so easy to take it out. Very nice. Definitely different, but I like it. Yeah, that looks done. Marbles have come up with its own little spoon bottle opener. You see says marbles on it, and it's one of those bottle openers and a can opener. So it's kind of like a reproduction, because in some of the MREs, like Australian MREs, they already had that. It says made in China. Beautiful little spork. Let's open a can, see how it works. Okay, let's try to use it and open it. So you lock it into a can and push it through. The beginning is kind of hard. Oh wow, it's so big, too easy. There you go. So you pretty much keep moving to the side and keep cutting it. See if it cuts all the way. Kind of cool that it lifted up. Also today we're going to put to the test the can stainer. Let's see if it will work. So you just line it up and it will lock in. I don't know if it's got it good enough. Yeah, it did. Okay. It's actually a very useful gadget because it's adjustable. And look at that, we're staining these bins in this case, and look at that, it's holding it very good. Let's shake it. Wow, look how much liquid coming out, and it's not falling apart, or it's not falling off. Look, probably you wouldn't do this, you don't want to spill it, but as you can see, it's holding up really well. So extreme stress test, holding it really well. Oh wow, boom, very cool. That's a really nice gadget to have. Swish Advance Fork Tones Set. Check this out, this advertisement. So how does this work? You put it to here. Nope. Put it to here. There you go. And then you have right here 2 forks, tones. That is quite cool. And then we take it apart and actually use it as a fork. What is there in the middle section? I think the coolest thing is it turns into tones.